and love will always find its way in. I love you. I love you. Every kiss begins with A.
Hey, everyone's eating tacos outside Bill's office. You think that's some information I would like to know? I like tacos. Anybody there?
This is a smart relay that I purchased from iDeck. On the back here is an expansion module. This is a input cable connected to my computer on the serial port, which goes right here. This expansion module goes on this side. It's very easy to put on. This little door here. Just pop that off. Put the belt module in these little holes here on the bottom. Slide it in, and there's a switch up here that locks it in and pushes the pins, connection pins, right here, and it just slides out to the smart relay. Just snap it on, slide this over, and it's on there. To hook up your cable, you just pry this little cap out right here. Comes out pretty easy, like that. Then your communication cable is right in here, like that. You got 4 outputs on the smart relay itself, and you got an additional 4 on the expansion module. On the back side, you got your connection for your line voltage and your neutral. The rest of these inputs are for switches that you can use, which I'm not going to use. I'm going to use a different type of switch. I'm going to use a push button switch that you would find like at a crosswalk or a fire station, or just a push button switch to activate the relay itself. As I go along, I'll show you how that I'm hooking things up. So in case you've never hooked one of these up before, it might give you some idea on how to hook it up. All right? I've connected all the commons to the relays with these black wires, and that runs around to the back side and connects to the line input right here. You also have a neutral input here that I've used a extension cord to connect to that. On my extension module, same thing, an extension cord connecting to the line and the neutral inputs. I have a push button connected between the line connection and input number 1 on the back side. If you get one of these smart relays, it's best to get the starter kit. It'll come with a book. If you're not familiar with logic circuitry, you'll want to read this book. It'll give you the fundamentals of logic circuitry. It also comes with a CD. You want to load this on your computer. It gives you a program to where you can set up and simulate your circuitry, and it's much easier to use it with this CD than it is to try to input it through the values using this book. I'll set up a little program and show you exactly what a smart relay can do. This is just a real little program. They can do a much more technical program than what I'll show you. This will be like a fire station or something like that, where you'll have flashing lights to indicate for the traffic to stop. I have a board over here that's a setup for a street intersection that I've set up. I'll just show the four-way flash that might occur at a fire station. This could also be set up like at a crosswalk, just anything where you need flashing lights. It could have a long timer on it, have a no timer on it where it just does it 24 hours a day. Just depending on what the application needs. I have it set for a short period of time, so it'll shut off here in a minute. I don't know if you can hear the relays clicking inside this smart relay or not. And that's what it can do, just simply can do. I'll go ahead and set up a more complex setup for it. Then I'll show you something more that it can do.